Logically, when you add a blocking session to your applications, notifications are automatically blocked. The aim is to cut off you from distractions as much as possible. This is a limitation imposed by Apple, which Jomo unfortunately can't do anything about. However, being the clever kids that we are, we've come up with a solution. To do this, you need the Jomo app and the shortcut app available for free on iPhone. The aim is not to block your apps by default, so that you can receive notifications. However, to prevent you from falling into the endless scrolling, we'll trigger a short session each time you open the app. In fact, your app will be blocked. You need to take a break to use it. Break will allow you to apply a maximum duration of use before Jomo blocks it again. Once the short session is over, your app will automatically unblock again, so you can receive notifications. Here's how to do it. Open Jomo, Rules and Sessions. Scroll to the bottom of the screen, then press My Templates. Create a new template by pressing the gray plus at the top right of the screen. Name it and choose the icon of your choice. In the apps to block, choose the app you wish to block, but from which you also wish to receive the notifications. Remember to activate the breaks. Ideally, set a reasonable maximum durations, for example 50 minutes max. In the duration sections, select Always On and save your templates. Now go to the Shortcuts app. Then press New Automation. If you already have one automation, press the plus on top right. In the list, select App. On the new screen, on the app line, press Choose. Then select the same app as the one on your template. Select Open, Run Automatically, then press Next. Press New Blank Automation. Press Add Action and type Jomo. Then select Start Session. Click on the blue Session Template box, then from the list, choose your previously created template. Press the small chevron in this blue circle. A menu will appear. Press Until Cancelled and select Duration. A duration will appear, 30 minutes by default. Here, set the maximum authorized post time plus 5 minutes. If you had set 15 minutes before, set now 20 minutes. Uncheck Show when run, then press OK. From now on, your app will only block when you want to use it. You'll have to take a break from Jomo, but in return, you'll be able to receive notifications without worry.